Hey guys, welcome to the channel Simple Beauty Secrets. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Today I'm going to share an amazing secret to look 10 years younger. A Korean friend told me this secret to get smooth, flawless skin using natural ingredients. If you want instant glow on your skin, then use this face mask. It also helps to get rid of acne, pimples, and scars. To prepare this mask, remove the skin from one banana and cut it into bits that will fit in your blender. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey, but remember to use pure honey only. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice powder. We're using rice powder for its anti-aging properties. Lastly, I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Blend the mixture thoroughly until it forms a nice paste. Now add 2 tablespoons of this prepared banana paste in a clean bowl and save the rest for later in the fridge. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk powder to your banana paste and mix it well. As you can see, my mixture has become even thicker, so now it's ready to use. Before I demonstrate how to use this mask, please take a moment to subscribe to Simple Beauty Secrets. Use a clean, soft bristle brush to apply this banana mask all over your face. And if you have scars or acne, then apply thick paste in these areas. Leave the mask on your face for 30 minutes, and after that, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Your skin will look flawless and glowing after even just one use. Use this mask 3 times a week and your skin will always look young and clear. Remember, this mask will also prevent acne and pimples, and it's safe for people with sensitive skin. I need your support, so be sure to like this video and subscribe now. Try this mask today and share your results with me in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Till then, bye!